Today we're doing warm, cool prints with our, these are called jelly plates, and you're going to be working with the person next to you at your table. You're going to decide, are you going to start with warm colors first or cool colors? The warm colors are all in one row, the cool are in another. You can also look above the table and around the room. There's some different places for warm, cool colors. If I do start with warm, I'm going to go 1, 2, and if I want to mix colors, I can, but what do I do when I change colors? Of course, I rinse, wipe. Oh, there's still orange there. I'm going to rinse that again. Rinse, wipe. We don't go like this. Rinse, gently wipe. So you can choose if you want to mix the colors or if you don't want to, that's fine. All it takes is like 4 blobs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I take my this is called the brayer. And this first one is kind of smeary because the plate started out wet. I'm going to roll it. That's all. So you're going to take turns. One person's going to do that. Next person's going to put on some leaves. Just gently place some leaves. I like to place them so that they're kind of part of them are halfway off. So it looks like maybe like leaves falling off a tree. And you put them there. And then you're going to put a piece of paper on top. Next person, take the brayer. Yes, it has paint on it, but this is going to clean off your brush as well as provide pressure for your print. So don't worry about it. In fact, you might even decide to do another print on the back of this paper. Now I'm going to pull the first print off, and there I have the space around the leaves is called my negative space. That's my first print. Now my second print, remember you're taking turns. Next person's going to pull off the leaves. Don't do anything. Just leave it. Second print, do nothing. I'm going to put my paper on. I'm going to smooth it and then pull it off. And I should be able to see, it kind of depends on how much paint you had left, the outline of the leaves. That's the second print. The third print, you're going to do the opposite. So if I did warm colors this time, now I'm going to do, can you guess? Cool colors. Again, 4 dabs, rinse, wipe very gently. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, I'm going to roll it. And remember, take turns. If you didn't get a turn rolling yet, then it's that person's turn to roll. Roll. Now you're going to take your leaves. They still have paint on them. So this looks kind of neat. Leave the painted side up. So the part that had your warm color paint, you're going to leave up. Put your paper down on it. And again, take your roller. And again, it will be dirty. That's fine. And roll. And then take it off. And there you have your warm, cool print. And then you're going to do another set of prints and decide which one each person's going to take home.